Hey everybody, I'm Erica Diaz with the Erica Diaz Team at Homevest Realty. And this is our Get Local series where we love to feature some of our local businesses so that our buyers and sellers know where to go. So today we are going to check out the Peach Cobbler Factory. It is one of the newest, hottest, sweetest spots in town, and I'm so excited to go try it out. Let's go. I am so excited to try some of these yummy treats, but first I want to introduce Teray. So you are one of the owners here.
My wife and I are the owners, franchise owners of the Peach Cobbler Factory, Winter Garden.
Okay, and tell me how this came to be.
Well, it's a pretty amazing story, to be honest. Really kind of speaks to perseverance and just, hanging in there. We started this process back in 2022.
Oh, wow.
The beginning of 2022 is when we started. We signed our franchise agreement, and it was a lot of work to open this because we started off, it was a mathnasium, so what they consider to be a white shell, and we came in, took us about 10 months to convert this into what people see today.
Wow, so you said it's a franchise. So how many Peach Cobbler factories are there across the nation?
Currently 76 as of today.
76
across
and
the
we
nation.
have one in Winter Garden.
Yes.
How cool is that? So why was this your dream?
Well, it was our focus to create something from a sense of financial legacy for our kids. That was really our focus at the time. And in doing so, we wanted to have something where our kids could not only share in working here, but also have an opportunity to have something that's within our family from a legacy perspective.
I love that. And that ties in completely with our podcast, Foundation and Family. So if you haven't checked that out, tune in there. Now, tell me your favorite thing on the menu.
That's gonna be hard. So I have 3 favorite things.
Okay.
The sweet potato pecan cobbler,
yum.
the peach cobbler,
Okay.
and I am now a huge fan of the strawberry banana pudding.
Oh my gosh, they all sound delicious. Tell me your favorite thing about this location.
I really like this family kind of neighborhood location, the neighborhood feel. I've gotten a chance to meet about 40% of the neighbors in the area, the other businesses.
Love that.
So it's really cool to be able to shake hands and just introduce ourselves and just, have that sense of neighborhood. We have a lot of people from Winter Garden come to the store, and we consider ourselves to be the neighborhood dessert shop of Winter Garden.
I love that. So tell me what we have here.
So we have our traditional peach cobbler with the ice cream on the top.
Okay, I'm trying
We
that
also
one.
have our OG banana pudding, which is the original banana pudding. And here we have our carnival cookie, which is our bigger,
my
better
gosh.
cookies. Now,
That is so amazing.
and we
My
have
kids would
many more
love
things.
this.
We have many more things on our menu, but
So
we'll just
this is the
showcase
infamous peach cobbler.
Yes.
It's a mess. Hold on. It's kind of melting because we've been talking. So
It's delicious.
I'd say 11 out of 10 for sure. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for letting us come and tour. We'd really like to get a behind the scenes if you would let us. And I can't wait for you guys to come try this place out. Definitely check them out right off of Tilden, Winter Garden. Can't get any closer to home. Till next time, thanks.